Alright, we're at 350 Gilman Lane in Raleigh, Unit 110. It's a townhouse. Not too far from the highway. You can't, well, you can kind of see it in the distance over there. Pretty loud, but otherwise, can't see it. Here's a newish AC unit. Come inside. Door could definitely use a coat of paint and new hardware on the door. So I come in through a linoleum landing. A half bath right off the door. Otherwise, a little crack. Separation linoleum. So then we come out, you have living room, family area, I guess dining room area, or the family room area. Over here have, this is more the coat closet with the door probably to the hot water heater. Just some storage underneath. I'm not quite sure for. So we got this half wall here, again linoleum floor, and then nicer cabinets, no hardware. Formica countertop, pantry with the door that needs to be replaced. I'll come over and close the door and see how quiet it is. You can still hear it some, but you know, spot for a fan. So let's come upstairs. Well, the carpet's not in bad shape. Definitely pretty much the whole thing could be painted. So we got the hot water heater, laundry. So washer, dryer, hot water heater. Come this way. Have linen closet. Full bathroom with the one sink. Bedroom 1. It's got some hole in the window, but otherwise okay. Closet. So the carpet, like I said, the carpet looks in shape. Everything needs to be painted, but ideally the tenant buyer would come in and take care of that. I'm not sure if this is the master, but they must have had a TV mount up here. There's a walk-in closet. And then we'll go upstairs. Oh, this is the furnace. We'll go up to the 3rd floor, and there's nicks and everything on the wall that shows that it needs painting. Full bath up here, double sink, closet. I guess this would be more of the master bedroom with walk-in closet here. Now up to the third floor, you can really see the highway out front, and hear it. But for $120,000, it's probably, there is some staining in the ceiling there. But this is a townhouse, so that would be covered by the external, some roof leak. So that's this house. All the appliances are here, washer and dryer, furnace. So it needs a really good paint job. Maybe some carpet cleaning, but otherwise, maybe just vacuuming and put it on the market for a tenant buyer to come in. So that's 350 Gilman. So then you have to walk around the front to get to the parking lot. And then on the back side, there's like the huge high tension power lines. It is at the end of the street where there's a park at the end, and then you got like dumpster and recycling areas. So again, that's 350 Gilman.